I think that students that enroll in dual enrollment or advanced placement, or even CTE, our CTE students are taking industry recognized credentials. Our advanced placement and dual enrollment students are earning college credit while they're in high school. If a student was very committed, they could probably finish their associate's degree prior to graduation and maybe get a good amount of their core classes out of the way prior to entering in college.
So one of the great privileges of being a part of even our CTE courses or advanced placement or the Jumpstart programs, HVAC, is that there is no cost to our student population.
And so I think it's really incumbent upon us to find what our students' strengths, talents, and abilities are, and to make sure that we're giving them those opportunities to build that toolkit, as well as that blueprint to help them with whatever they decide to do once they leave us, college, career.
When they walk across the stage, they are ready and a step ahead of most seniors in other places because they have the credentials or the credits at no cost to them.